You know, there was a time when simple dinners like this were on tables everywhere. You didn't need fancy ingredients, just a few pantry staples and a recipe everyone loved. Shipwreck Dinner is one of those old-fashioned meals you just don't see much anymore, but today we're bringing it back the cook and share way. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is grab up a pound of ground beef and slip it into a pan over medium-high heat. Break it up a little bit, and once again I'm missing my breaker-upper thingy-manure, but anyway. We're going to fry this up until it's basically cooked through and browned. Okay, we're looking good and pretty much browned up here, so I'm going to move the beef to one side of the pan and in we go with a small chopped onion. Follow that up with 3 cloves of garlic, and we're just going to stir and saute this until that wonderful aroma of onion and garlic fill the air. After a couple of minutes we are smelling good. We'll give everything a good mix together here. That aroma is just incredible, guys. Now here's the thing, I'm going to throw in a box of Kraft Dinner, so I might as well use the cheese that goes with it, but you don't have to, it's up to you. Follow that up with a good old can of diced tomatoes. You can use the fancy Italian urban garlic, but I'm just using regular here. Grab up a cup of milk and throw that in. Then the box of good old KD Original. Now you can use macaroni, noodles, or any kind of pasta, or even hash browns would do. Go ahead and give all this a good stir around, but it is starting to look like a shipwreck dinner now, isn't it? Okie dokie, all stirred up, so we're going to season things up with a good heaping teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And I use this stuff a lot because it's got just about everything in it. After that, about a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of the good old ground black pepper that I love so much. And you know what, I got some frozen peas in the freezer, so I'm going to go ahead and throw those in. Some people don't like peas, but yeah, I do. Then another cup of good old sweet corn. Sometimes they call it peaches and cream, but it's just sweet corn. The old pan's getting a little full here, so I'm going to kind of carefully mix everything together. And you know what, that's why they call this shipwreck, because it's kind of, you know, whatever washes up from your pantry. Or your freezer or fridge, whatever's kicking around in the kitchen. Okay, let's throw a lid on this and let this simmer away for about 10 or 12 minutes until the pasta cooks up. After about 10 minutes, just look at this, my friends. Doesn't this look incredible? And we are pretty much done, but don't be going away yet because we got some additional stuff to do. Simply because I'm going to grab up some old, sharp, grated cheddar cheese and throw it over the top. You don't have to add cheese, but I just love cheese. Slip the lid back on and let that cheese melt down. You only need about 2 minutes or so for that cheese to melt down. After a couple of minutes, we are pretty much done, and just look at this, guys. Doesn't it look so good? It's so fast, so simple, so easy. Whatever you got kicking around your pantry, you are gonna love it. And if you do make it up, leave us a comment because I love to read them. Most of all, like and subscribe helps the channel out. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and we shall see you Sunday in our next Humdinger Cook and Share video.